What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk all things money. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things money, real estate, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. In today's video, we're going to be talking about money and entrepreneurship. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Anthony. I'm a 24-year-old entrepreneur / real estate investor. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 different ways to make at least an extra $1,000 per month. If you watch this video, you will leave with 7 different ideas that you can do to make an extra $1,000 per month. So I recommend watching this entire video. Let's get to it. Number 1 is being a VA or virtual assistant. The earnings for a VA can range anywhere from $10 an hour to over $100 per hour. Virtual assistants have been on the rise lately because of the option to work from home. Virtual assistants have a wide variety of tasks, but it also depends on who you're working with. For example, a VA involved in social media will have different tasks than a VA involved in real estate investing. But common tasks usually include calendar management, scheduling, emails, bookkeeping, and much more. Some skills that are usually required from a VA are computer skills, organization skills, communication skills, and project management skills. When deciding on becoming a VA, decide who you want to work with, what hours you want to work, and how much you will be charging. A popular way to list your services is on a freelance website such as Fiverr or Upwork, where you can post your listing and market your services, or even apply to job offerings by clients if you think you are a good candidate for the position. Number 2 is Amazon FBA. The earnings for Amazon FBA are unlimited and uncapped. Amazon is without a doubt the world's largest e-commerce platform. Millions of shoppers are on Amazon every single day looking for products to buy. So wouldn't it make sense to sell on it? Fortunately, Amazon does give people like you and me the opportunity to sell our own products on their platform. This is called Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon. The reason it's called Fulfillment by Amazon, whenever a customer places an order with your product, Amazon packs and ships it to the customer. There is no action needed on your part. Amazon handles all the dirty work, which is all the customer service, logistics, and shipping. The easiest way to explain the business model of Amazon FBA is you source your product from overseas, ship it to an Amazon warehouse, and start selling your product. By no means is this an easy business where you can list any product and start making a ton of money. That was an option years ago, but those days are long gone. There are a lot more steps that goes into starting your own Amazon business, such as product research, advertisement, and a lot more that I can't cover all in this one video. But once you understand the concept and what's needed to run your Amazon business, this can be a very passive business, because once you reach a certain point, it's just a matter of reordering inventory and staying in stock. This business model makes total sense to me, which is why I currently sell products on Amazon as well. If you want me to create another video that goes into more depth of how to start your own Amazon business, drop a comment below. Number 3 is writing an ebook. The earnings for writing an ebook are unlimited and uncapped as well. If you are a writer and have any interest in writing a book and also creating passive income from it, create an ebook. There are ebooks on every topic you can think of: business, cooking, health and fitness, children's books, and so much more. The first step in writing an ebook is to choose a topic. After you've chosen a topic, build out your chapter outline. Figure out what chapters you want in your book and what you want to talk about. Next, focus on writing your book one chapter at a time. You do not want to overwhelm yourself, otherwise it will take you forever or you might not even finish your book. Break up the work you need to do and focus on one chapter at a time. But keep in mind what the main topic is. You still want all the chapters to make sense and everything in it to flow. After you finish writing everything in your book, make sure to proofread and edit. You don't want to publish a book only to find out that there are a bunch of errors and typos in that book. Then focus on format and design. You want to create an optimal reading experience for your audience and make it appealing. Now you're ready to publish. A popular way to publish ebooks is through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon makes the process easy. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes and will appear on the Kindle store in 24 to 48 hours. If you guys are getting any value in this video, please do me a favor, go ahead and thumbs up this video and subscribe. Each and every one of you who do so will help this channel out tremendously and help reach more people like yourself. If you want to be notified every time that I post a video, hit that notification bell. I'll be posting 2 new videos every week. Thanks guys, let's get back to it. Number 4 is a social media manager. The earnings for social media managers can be anywhere from $10 to over $100 per hour. Having an online presence is almost mandatory in today's world of business. Businesses and companies are pretty much irrelevant without it. The fact that you can receive thousands, if not millions, of interactions overnight is insane. Believe it or not, tons of small and medium-sized businesses still do not utilize social media enough. That is where social media managers come in. Social media managers take the load off of business owners and help with branding, organic growth, ads and promotions, content creation, targeting audience and interactions, collaborations, and much more. If you are social media savvy and have a good understanding in this area, this is perfect for you. If you are interested in becoming a social media manager, post your listing or apply for jobs on Fiverr or Upwork. You can even try emailing the companies directly and hope that they get back to you. Number 5 is renting out an extra space on Airbnb. The earnings for this vary depending on your space, but you can expect to earn anywhere from $500 to over $2,000 per month. If you have an extra space in your house or property, you can consider listing it on Airbnb. If you haven't heard of Airbnb, Airbnb is a platform that offers affordable accommodations. Just like hotels, the rates are usually per day, but can also come in weekly packages. Also similar to a hotel, you will need to provide furnishings and basic accommodations such as beds, pillows, towels, first aid kits, and other basic necessities. Hospitality is key on Airbnb. You want to make sure your space is welcoming and enjoyable so that the guests are comfortable, have a great experience, and can refer your space to family and friends. Before listing your price, take into account the fees that Airbnb takes when your space is booked. The current rate is 3 to 5%, so make sure to calculate that in when setting your price. You will also need to account for cleaning and maintenance of your space. You need to know who will be cleaning the space and who will be managing it. If you don't want to do any of the dirty work, you can always outsource those duties and hire cleaners and management. Although this will cut into your profits, this can turn your Airbnb business to a true passive income stream. Number 6, you can rent out your car on Turo. The earnings for this also vary depending on your car. Expect to earn anywhere from $500 to over $1,000 per month. Just like how you can rent out your space on Airbnb, you can rent out your car on Turo. Turo is the world's largest car sharing platform that allows you to list your car and have people rent it. It's as easy as listing your car, setting your rules and price, handing over the keys, and getting paid. There are no sign-up fees or monthly fees, but keep in mind that you earn 60 to 85% of the total price, depending on the vehicle protection plan that you choose. So take that into account as well. Number 7 is creating an online course. The earnings for creating an online course are uncapped and unlimited. If you are passionate or knowledgeable about a topic, you can create an online course and sell it. I've seen courses that range anywhere from $10 to $7,000 per course, but the potential earnings are limitless. If you can make a course that's affordable in price, say $100, and have only 10 people buy it, you've already made your $1,000. Now say you make a course that offers a ton of information and value on a topic that's popular, you can charge $500 or even $1,000 and up per course. The thing here is to be credible and provide value. Value is educating people. Value is empowering people. Value is improving their lives and solving problems. Value is creating a great experience. If you are credible and providing a ton of great value, people will buy your course. When creating a course, you can use platforms like Teachable. Teachable offers unlimited students, unlimited videos, and no transaction fees on 2 of 3 of their plans. Teachable also offers tons of tips and guides to help you through the entire process to make creating your online course as easy as possible. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I plan to give as much value as I can and make a bunch of content about money, real estate, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. If you guys have any questions or comments about these 7 ways, drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, go ahead and click that notification bell if you want to be notified every time that I post. I'll be posting 2 new videos every week. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.